Okay, good morning, student. How are you today? Have you been well?
Good morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir.
I'm doing really well, sir. How about you, sir?
I'm good too. Fantastic. So, I know that you have excited to start today's class, but before it would be better if we start a prayer so that we'll be given smoothness in learning until the end today's lesson. Wouldn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Of course.
sir. Of
All
course.
right. Before we start lesson, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Pray never ends. Now, let me check your attendance. When I call your name, please turn on your mic and say present. Understand?
Understand, sir?
Understand,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Usman.
Present, sir.
Okay. May.
Present, sir.
Okay. Katoy Selby.
Present, sir.
Okay. All right, student. Today we will learn about animals. But before that, can one of you please tell us about the previous lesson we have learned? Okay, Usman. Let's go.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the chance. In the previous lesson, we have learned about plants, and plants are multicellular organisms, the kingdom of plants here that use photosynthesis to make their own foods. And we also learn about plant cycles, namely photosynthesis process. And during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and water from the air and soil. And then we also learn about how do plants grow and produce. I think that's all we learned in the previous lesson, sir.
Okay, thank you. You're doing great. Okay, thank you so much. Further review about the lesson we have learned before.
Alright, guys. Today we will learn about the animal. Do you guys like animal?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. I
Yes,
like
ma'am.
the animal.
Do you guys know that animals are classified into groups? Animals can be classified as either vertebrates or invertebrates. In the previous class, I have told you to learn about animal classification, haven't I?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
you have, ma'am.
So, May, can you please tell us about the vertebrates animals? What is the vertebrates animal?
Yes, ma'am. So vertebrates animals are animals that have a backbone inside their body.
Great answer. So, like May said, vertebrates animals are animals that have a backbone inside their body. The major groups include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Meanwhile, invertebrates animals is the opposite. They don't have any backbone. They either have a soft body like worms and jellyfish or a hard outer casing covering their body like spiders and crabs. Today, we will learn more about vertebrates animals. Before that, I will show you guys a video about vertebrates animal. Please pay attention to this and take a notes.
Hi, friends! Today we will talk about vertebrate animals. Do you know which ones they are? Vertebrates are animals that have an articulated internal skeleton. This skeleton supports the body and allows them to move. Vertebrates are classified into 5 groups: mammals, birds, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Oh, you guys caught me dancing this dance. I think I've got the hang of it, so I will show you another day. Because today, I have come to talk to you about a group of vertebrates, mammals. Do you know what kind of animals these are? No? That's what I'm here for. Mammals are viviparous animals, meaning they are born from their mother's womb. Mothers have mammary glands that give milk to feed their young. Inside their mouth, they have teeth to chew their food. Mammals breathe through. They are warm-blooded animals. And the majority of them have hair covering their bodies. They can live on land, in the water, and some can even fly. And now, some fun facts about mammals. The biggest mammal is the blue whale. It can measure up to 30 meters long, a little more than a basketball court. Oh! A horse is another mammal. Did you know that its teeth don't stop growing throughout its whole life? And here you have another mammal. What? Where is it? It's me! We humans are also mammals. Well, I am going to keep practicing my dance. See you later.
Today's modern workspace is anywhere. Your users need to be
Hey guys! Are you ready to learn a few things about animals?
Animals, animals.
Hey! Don't repeat what I say.
Say.
Oh, always the same. Well, guys, today we are going to talk about another group of vertebrate animals. Birds.
Birds.
Birds are oviparous animals, which means they are born from eggs. They walk with 2 legs, and they have 2 wings that allow them to fly. Although there are some birds like the ostrich and penguin that don't fly even though they have wings. The bird's skeleton is light because their bones are hollow. Birds can breathe thanks to their lungs. And they are warm-blooded.
So guys, we have seen the videos and learned about the vertebrates animals. Now I will send you guys a reading text about the mammals on our chat group. By the way, what animals classification do mammals belong to?
Vertebrates animals.
Vertebrate animals, ma'am.
Good. I have sent you guys the reading text. Please open it. Now I want you guys to take turns to read it, starting with Usman. Please read the first paragraphs, then the second paragraph will be read by May, and the last will be read by Katoy. Understood?
Understood, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, you have read the text excellently. Now I will divide you into groups. How many students in this class?
30, sir.
30, sir.
Okay, I'll divide you into 3 groups. So one group will 1 person. Please work with your group to answer the question under the text. After that, please summarize the text. Write only the important parts. Write it down in Microsoft Word, and then we'll discuss it together. Do you understand?
Understand, sir.
Understand, sir.
Understand, sir. Do we have to choose our own group members, sir?
Sorry, you don't have to. I have already divided. I'll send the list of group members into our chat group. Okay, I will. Now you can start to work together with your group. I'll give you 20 minutes. It's done, you know?
Yes, sir. That's enough.
Sir, that's enough.
Okay. Okay, time's up. Now we will discuss the answer of the question. Which groups want to read their answers? Okay, me.
Yes, sir. We want to answer the first question.
Yes, me. Which group are you from?
I'm from group 6, sir.
Okay, please tell us the answer.
Okay, so the answer for number 1 is the dolphins.
Okay, that's right. And number 2? Okay, Usman.
Yes, sir. I think the answer for the question number 2, name a mammal that lives in a cave. It is the bat, sir.
Okay, that's good. And number 3? Okay, Katoy.
I think the 3 large mammals are the elephants, the giraffe, and the whale.
Okay, amazing answer. And number 4, how many groups of mammals are there? Yes, Katoy. Yes, Usman.
Yes, sir. I think there are 3 groups of mammals, sir.
Okay, that's good. And number 5, which animal is a marsupial? Okay, May.
I think it's a sir, koala. Is that true?
Yes, that's true. Okay. Those answers are good, student.
Okay, you have already have on all of the answer of the question. Now, please one member from each group to read the summary. Who wants to read the summary? Okay, Katoy.
Okay, thank you for the time. Here I want to read the summary of the material. Mammals are warm-blooded animals and can live in a wide variety of places. Mammals include the largest animals and also the most intelligent on Earth. There are three groups of mammals, such as manatee, marsupials, and placenta.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you, Katoy. You have already done a good job. Give applause for us. Okay, yes. Today we have learned about the animal classification. May I ask one of you to summarize what we have learned together today? Okay, Katoy again.
Okay, so today we have learned about animal classification. Animals can be classified as vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrate animals are animals that have a backbone inside their body. The examples is mammals. Meanwhile, invertebrate animals is the animals that don't have any backbone. The examples are worms and jellyfish. We saw an explanation video about vertebrate animals too. Then we also read a text about one of the vertebrates, namely mammals. We also answer the questions that are under the reading text, and we have summarized the reading text.
Okay. Thank you, Katoy. Great summary. And now, student, for today's assignment, please summarize the subject matter we have learned today. Write it in your book and then take a photo and then submit it on our Google Classroom. Do you understand or do you have any question?
Understand, sir?
Yes, Usman.
Sir, excuse me. I would like to ask, when is the deadline of this assignment, sir?
Okay. For the deadline is today, 1 to 12 p.m. Okay. Do you have any other question?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. If you don't have any question, then we will end our class today. Before that, let's pray according to our respective beliefs so that today's lesson can be useful for all of you. Pray, begin. Pray never ends. All right, students, you may leave the Zoom meeting. Take care of your health. Keep the spirit of learning even though you are still online. Always remember, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit will always be sweet. See you in the next meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. See you,
Bye.
sir.
See you again.